Goodbye, Tom's here. We got some snow. I don't know, there's at least 10 inches or so on the ground. You see the dog, the fact that she's bottoming out on her belly when she runs around. Yeah. we got some snow. And there's a lot of wind and it's drifting everything. These crazy dogs playing in the snow, it's funny. These dogs really, I've seen snow a few times, but coming from down southern Mississippi, yeah, they don't know much about snow. They just know it's fun. And then consequently cold as well. All right, so we gotta get out here. We've got to find anything in the yard that shouldn't have been here, but really I did a good job yesterday, I think, of cleaning up everything and get the tractor out here, get the driveway kind of worked a little bit, and then we're gonna do some work maybe on the sawmill because that's pretty cool. These dogs are pretty cute. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, let's get out here. Also, the building did hold up last night with all the snow, which is good. I'm going to do some inspections on it, see if we have any bending and stuff like that, but there's a ton of snow on there. So without further ado, I need to first get some snow off these buildings because we've got another 4 to 6 inches coming today. Whew. All right, folks, I've got the tractor in there warming up. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a time lapse in this location right here. You can see me get all the snow off the new lean-to and then get the snow off of there. There's quite a bit of snow up on there. Everything's holding, nothing's actually flexing, which is really good. And on the back side of the building, there's a ton of snow there, but we'll get to that later. I'm not too worried about it. I want to get this side cleared off first, followed by this, and then I'm gonna go work the driveway, then I'll come back and do the back side. We have, I put the tape measure to it. Right now, in most areas, it's about 10 to 11 inches. In the thinner areas, it's like 8 to 9. So I'm gonna say roughly we had about 10 inches of snow, and we got another 4 to 6 on the way. And that's why I need to get some of this stuff off here, just because that's a lot of snow, folks. That's a lot of snow. All right, let's get to work. This is gonna be fun. All right, folks, so now we've got Tommy up there. He's gonna help me clear off that section that's up against the building. We had probably another 4 or so inches fall since this morning when I did all this work. So he's gonna clear out that section up against the building. The roof is holding up well, but you need to stay tuned. Probably after this video, I'll post the conclusion of building up all the sides here and everything. This is a little sneak peek. That's pretty cool. But yeah, it's looking great. The driveway, I have actually plowed the driveway. This will be the 3rd time I gotta do here in a little bit. I got about 5 inches off last night. Then, I say last night, yesterday afternoon. Then I got another, I don't know, almost 10 inches off this morning. And then probably another 4 or so inches I'll have to get right now. On the building here, last night, I probably got, in some areas, up to 18 inches off last night of some snow drifts, especially up against where he's working. And then today, again, we had some of those drifts up to 20 inches or so. I mean, just big old hunks of snow. And I'll get up on this ladder here so you can see the other section of the building if he doesn't throw snow on me. This is dangerous walking up here. But yeah, as you can see, there's a decent amount of snow up against that wall there, but you know, he'll get it all off. And then the other section there, we had it all cleaned off this morning, but with some more snow drifts and stuff, it built back up. So yeah, we'll continue to get all the snow off here. The roof rake does work very well. I told him if he can't get it off, put it about midway down here, and then I'll come back up here with the roof rake and get it off. That's just getting ahead of, so it doesn't hold on any more snow, because we got another 2 to 4 inches next week. Actually, probably more. But yeah, exciting. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I will conclude this video with some shenanigans on the side-by-side, because we're going to take the side-by-side out here and zip around and go crazy. I apologize for the barking, but here we go. The pandemonium ensues. Run, doggies, run! This is our snow trail, which I don't even know if I can get up it. Oh, there's snow falling off the roof. It's so thick. It's like, oh. I don't want to get stuck out here because that'd be bad. Trying to get the tractor out here. It's so bumpy. Turn, baby, turn. Come on, girl. Yeehaw. Oh, yeah. Shenanigans. Let's see if I can pull this hill. Come on, baby. It looks like not without a running start. We're gonna try it again. All right, watch out, girls. Welcome to our life with the dogs on a side-by-side. They go crazy. All right.
Let's say it again.
Here we go. Yeah, woo! Almost hit that tree. Well, we got the hill. Run, doggies, run! Just plowing through the snow. Run, doggy, run! I don't know even how they're doing this. That's all they got. They ain't got no more. A little confusion. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh, try not to run over doggies. There you have it, folks. Nice little, that's one of our loops around the farm. I got her in 4-wheel drive. Woo, turn, turn, turn. Here we go. Oh, in the face. Uh-oh.
What happened? You can't get up there.
And I can't get up the hill anymore. I gotta go down the hill. I can't make the turn. The snow keeps her slow and turns. I'm doing everything in low gear too, so I have a little more torque for pulling these hills and everything. Poor doggies. There we go. She's pulling. Pull, pull, pull. Sideways. Big hole. Oh. Well, I got camera whited out. Well, folks, I gotta stop this guy and get all snow off the camera. And we ate it. Well, folks, I thought that'd be fun to do. Yeah, we absolutely packed this thing in with some snow. So I gotta get that cleaned out. But yeah, ate it on that hill right there. Absolutely just covered Tommy and I with snow. But yeah, we're gonna have some more fun out here. Yeah, play on the farm. We'll see you around. Thanks.